You all know that DB Drive specializes in bass, and you can bet your that their WDX G2 subwoofers will blow girls' clothes off. These competition level subs are absolute beasts, with the 12-inch and 15-inch models blasting out 1250 watts RMS of seat shaking bass, the 10-inch pumping out 1000 watts RMS, and both the 8-inch and 6.5-inch holding up their own with 750 watts RMS. And they're not really designed for budgeted systems, with the price range of about $160 for the 6.5-inch and $450 for the 15-inch. The 12 and 15-inch also boast 20 millimeters of X-Max, but you get your money's worth. These subs are an investment. They're an investment in hearing loss. They're an investment in heart palpitations. They're an investment in blowing girls' clothes off. The WDX G2 subs all feature dual voice coils and come in variations of 2 ohms or 4 ohms depending on the size. The one we have here is the WDX 12G24, which is a 12-inch dual voice coil subwoofer with an impedance of 4 ohms per coil. So your options for wiring include a 2 ohm load with parallel wiring or an 8 ohm load with series wiring. If you need help figuring out your wiring situation or how to match subwoofers and amplifiers, check out our Subwoofer Wiring Wizard page, link in the bio. The 12-inch also weighs a solid 27.5 pounds thanks to its massive magnet, which is the first sign telling you it can potentially do some damage. The subwoofer felt like it could withstand a bomb strike when I was holding it in my hands. The WDX G2 subwoofers get all of their performance from a high-quality build, including their non-pressed paper cone and double-stitched foam surround. The die-cast aluminum vented basket provides strength and heat dissipation. The 10-inch, 12-inch, and 15-inch all have a 3-inch aluminum high-temperature voice coil, while the 8-inch has a 2.5-inch and the 6.5-inch has a 2-inch voice coil. To keep the voice coils in place, DB Drive uses dual poly cotton spiders with stitched tinsel leads. Their large gauge compression terminals allow for low wire gauge to accommodate the high power. To get the max output in an enclosure, DB Drive recommends 1.8 cubic feet sealed and 2.6 cubic feet ported for the 12-inch, and 2.18 cubic feet sealed and 3.17 cubic feet ported for the 15-inch, with a port tune of 33 Hz. That's it on DB Drive's WDX G2 subwoofers. Be sure to get all of your car audio and video gear with us at qualitymobilevideo.com. If you hated this video, go ahead and dislike it, but if you enjoyed it, click that like button. Join the conversation below, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and thanks for watching.